akwada hu dachi anana ni aje opani twane ni anani raho mara hu sempa na minke mintam kese na mi bosui memranti bremu menti afuto ena mi na binyo ranti ani mabawa mutie me anka mayesa muda
I anka mayesa moda anopei mosomfo Joseph Osafo edu maje mekonya ewo Sompa Rhapsody yede efa Sompa FM 106.5 FM ose ema aketiapa 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock biana matenase amede obremu ni mdiye ni nyansa atenkama ni mdiye ni nyansa ede brewo menem se bia na woteka mu bia wasore a woda mpemu benso krampa na waja oti baby a oje ahome kakra said ye oti bia any state you find yourself sabri no bere a mede Sompa Rhapsody ene brewo na wotwe twemu no ene be na ahwemienu yi na mene wo ka tenka abufo ni aho asem ene said ye obesi ahihye wabrabo ya na mitaka se abrabo bia afutio ni adane ya enka ono ya na yesini oprankoa ne di achi afutio obi ensa kan odi 2 minutes na odi suaye no bia na obi ani 20 years ne suaye odi 2 minutes is atnase na wotie nipa na adane a ebetumi aboa wabrabo ente ya na mene yakosu ago aboaje ni atnase na first segment no ya dey some free show be na ya dey share na ya buye topic na no na fe addenda anopai enno sebi na ye be na me ka otiatia se wonga ekura djumadie mu no eye wonga woboye pa a chese ope kenke bia eye kenke pa to enche mebo so achiro bomode na tieme ebe chiro kenka odia chese maka chose e ko heaven sa kenke no ara ibedi ene ade beye ye kan se erade didi meka chiro se wonim kenke dia just bread and pastries. One more. Open kenka. Just say hot. Ya ye ya fit ye. Na kenka with your onya area. Was say bread. Ba ko 3 cedis. Oboso pat na why. Na shi to come one. Oh, was say convenient. Na tasty. Just bread. I say make your kenke experience easier. Ope say from one or dome behind Ghana Commercial Bank. From 025 606 8832. Just bread and pastries. That is the home for authentic kenke. Momodiana alcohol. Na kopibidi. And I pay me no ebeka about resilience. Rental I will be saying my brain, I made your braid, the beer, my ban, my brain, or brain quad be when you may ama who didn't be a over to me, Aria Tasso, now I didn't name. The beer, and near the Wabraboy Mono Bedin Kunim, say, we are Hose, what dear, Aria Tona, Atontia, oh, baby, Akotna, now on Kobe, Obisamen Quasaribio, Obisamen Yajmabio, Obisamen Waribio. Adikiti no je bi ohosi ya kame wasam no no amobi e dia sembi no dia aje wa brabon o dia destroy wan kasa wo unshire bia e dawanim na o dia yefri resilience and rental so soon. I'm inviting you to listen to me in the next couple of minutes. Rita so say the nyamia kafa hubia no ebebem Bobby said God does not speak alone. When he has spoken, you have to act. So nyameka sa ese otu hu na mo. Sa na mo ba kono eye renta so sunsum. What fairly exams ba ko mi enu mi ansa, don't give up. Push. Enfa eye ensariye, enfa eye jotoriye, enfa eye wiwiye. Misha baye bia mama erna koma edi agoro omo ye ne se accordion. Omo ndina koma se accordion odi bo nyo ho. Ba ko ba no ko mienu ba no ko na so ka kire me se daddy menim se mekunu eba ewenta so. Return so because the future is bright. Don't give up because your life is greater. Don't give up because God is with you. And that's wonder how I am so me budget the umu sorry waka na bribi pa edewenim. Paul Ekasa Romans chapter 5:3-4 I say we also glory in our sufferings because we know that suffering produces perseverance, character, and character hope. Now see, and hope does not disappoint. What you can see ye, ukuno wayo ye, wayo no so wayo ye, and tawari yagu. And don't say you can't marry again. Dust yourself and pick up the piece and go forward. Resilience and rental swarm. Afe mamenko. Akosi ya me marching.
Prof, meju so.
Akosi ya. Na umpo muti say.
Nyame adom me ho ye fe ne afi wo ye.
And then why you come up pasaba. Na Mr. Wajin to wo hu ya na.
Oh we pa.
Mr. Wajin me hu da na. I feel rough.
On the baby gate ni mami.
On the baby. And who you was say akosi ya. And the kwaye. Akosi ya me mo ache pa.
Meju so pa prof na watchi mu ya ye ready last week wo boy pa.
Right.
Yen ya bufuo e ba na yen hu ne yen nye ye ho ebufuo ama ya say ne ma no wo kire ye Friday ni kra de point a wo de ma ye no obi ka chem Santi Akosua so obi betimi ama me buofo nipa ne nya nwo no.
Oh, I like that. Wow.
As Auntie Akosua so obi betimi ama me buofo nipa no ye nya nwo no.
Ya wo no answer.
Ma bom madwene pose me mfa me tumi ma obia.
Powerful.
Some can say my bom madwene pose me mfa me tumi e ma obia.
Powerful.
Men try say me show obia ma na ye de me pe. Me twam because no tana ne butafu no. And na me expect say da bia nipa be ye say de me si pe no.
Okay.
Say obia anko. Eti I will allow people to carry their own burdens.
Wow.
And so carry me burden. Ye nyina obia ye na mu.
I love that.
Eti papa wo boa ye pa fa ebufuo ho. Na oba ya opie ya wo so be kan resilience no. Me say this week is the oba say den ba because papa this week is the oba ba na papa no hye. Ano hye say papa minim omo a. Na omo ye generous people. Omo ye givers.
Okay.
Omo buo nipa na omo jai omo mo nipa biem.
Oh,
I minimum omo na omo ya adoye. Ohu nipa emmobo anu obo no obo abusuafo obo namfofo wo ye niema de bo nipa na omo jai wo se me mu obi abi.
Akosi alentia.
I fi say obi ya ade ama na ye ne ya.
Oh.
Eti saade no wo jai. Efi na kro onye obi
papa bi. Ade bia na nko ye.
Oh wo jai. Wo se nipa ye bonia ye.
Jesus.
Because obi akoye ni bibi a wampe. It was efi na kro no wo jai giving.
Jesus.
Oma obi a bibia wanya papa biem.
Jesus.
Eti no ena wo bekiti wo resilience na wo beka na beboa ma obi otesa na wakanya ne ho biem minim obi nso so a o say I will never fall in love again.
Oh, we're closing the love.
I'm a close o say ma close margin ma close makoma me no obi abiem
if you say all don crofo no
yes
me na koma edi
agro me de makoma man crofo ma o ma di ho agro etie free na kro I don't believe in love anymore
wo bi say san crofo na ye de makoma esa say ye de makoma ebo accordion na go say accordion no otwim
okay
ente otwim wo say otwim wo na che say odo no ye kese na eno no wo de asem no shema say medo asem no ho say na ode baba na
amem one aka so do me afedi ekwo
say accordion
oh yes enti papa
wow
when this week topic now dey ba no me nyi say week kura obewie because a very powerful topic enti omo they have given up on love me ya mistreat me enti me so me no biem papa me nim omo so omo say omo mfa damfo biem ai
na eno so for
if you say namfo disappointing adamfo bi kokan ho asem yes okodi ne ho konkonsa me share me secret be with someone me nim they have given up like obi wa entirely papa or given up me nim papa bia papa the only child ne baba ko pe na papa no ye a lot of philanthropic projects
okay
no ye niema bebre wo bo nipa bebre no ono abie o ye entrepreneur
okay
wo bie nyuma papa onim se ne na me ka se papa ne nyuma ne nyina egu de nti egu ne se the only child efrimu and when to me I'm bear pain the only child the only daughter papa ne baba akope papa no ye very vibrant mami o ye very vibrant okoba asori okoba o se adentina nyame ama me bawu adentina nyame ama me baba akope wafrim
akoze wonim se me mouth so na wonim se edana metohana I believe God was telling me this say one of the weeks dedicated to pastors.
Okay.
Mekasa about spiritual crisis. Asafo. On say asafo die no.
Yeah.
Ya na enye bibia na obetumi aka. And some pastors are actually struggling in pain.
Nese ye wa sofo bi mo ho mafa ne me mu oya but ontimi nka eto no nko aye na me wo mene opra
ebinom gu afu nyankopon ebinom ehia se omunya ya mete se abranti bi call ne sofo panyin chen na se abranti me nko aso me just for me nko bio o kasa na sofo no ye se topunu no topunu no oba ya here na say we ya me bosu na onim si jan kan ija ya che come to
yeah
enti ebinom bre
yeah ade bitimi to papa
na mekire sa minya satan mekire
okay
about the faith crisis ogidie no
yeah
and ofa oyendem to when nyanti ase a
ampa
ebibra
ampa papa
and unfortunately no most of our churches especially African churches
yeah
we haven't built it to support weakness.
Yensisi ya mreye anawo how you bet yenhyehyeye for suffering.
In fact, we don't even have theology of weakness. Most African churches no our view say we are suffer there hom konko meboa.
We are suffer there hom konko meboa and I suffer so there bibi boni bia so if so the only nyame na dam.
We a theology of weakness. So say theology of weakness and boama ho interventions. If say one say emre wo and one say obrenso wo Elijah, the man who called fire from heaven, say it is enough. Take my life. I am not better than my fathers.
Hey, Jezebel I am
me. So I'm saying that. Yeah. But you need a theology of intervention.
Why you overwhelmed? Asetemu abibia chowe mo ya no ye hyede nidia esasa wo ye de
Dabi and I mean my papa na for Reverend is to daba
yeah
asam no to no
yes
and another me bon kon say no hunu say ye ni a theology of weakness
yeah
because one man in change na no oni pa oh man of God I know you are strong you're wrong you're wrong
ne mawu
what's your name na hwe
wonya nipa
dabi o se obi banji bi ba na de sambo na chi banyina nkasa
yeah
ote ho not happening back Also, that was when he began healing.
One
or tapping it back.
Oh, yeah, bonnet chicken. Sometimes you hear some papa will be back, can go for dear more dear. Who hears will be back as a tentin and top of
brown. Or by Yano Cato, many with your water, and no weapon. A brown baby, Nipa. As a set ultimate validity, Nipano, the often.
Papa said, what can that be?
Oh,
expect those in leadership.
I'm telling you,
a soft war.
Mamminum.
Sometimes your own child. One casawa
one to us.
One casawa bar, to say, what give you best?
Exactly.
Why your investment?
Exactly.
Now at the end of the day, no output a be free mabano.
Exactly.
No to say, it's the me in
exactly.
A papa be the baba you are, or crock on the banner said a be and a banner for bema.
Oh,
you will be our demand.
Oh,
hey, what you did peer, what the quarter say? He was doing all that, said a be at the bema betting a yamani bia. It's in the banner. Any teenage pregnancy, no, the man was broken.
Because he has given his best.
Me baba you are there. Me do to quine. Me do what restaurant. My bon hoka. Me tonta didn't pabuamo. Said the bay home brabo bonnet.
Okay.
Nasa walk of a teenage pregnant. The papa nakuma bubu if it's on him said the may me buying in a chino. It's a yanyanefe.
Wow.
I'm a papa went to me and you know when you and the me. I could for teenage pregnancy about.
Wow.
And the papa you want maybe one a 2 year. Say nyame anya wadom papa wontimi nsori bi na make papa ne only child ne baba ko pe eto fom no wantimi an recover
he couldn't recover
wantimi an recover ne companies nya watotum o hyedem sa
ai
o hyedem sa obi aba get out of here ombese obehu obi a
enti ne ba no yen den
ne pese ne ba na wu ne only child
wawu
ne only child free mo no
oh yeah just say you see he poured himself
oh yes inti ama eti papa ye woni ama bi wo ha a disappointment
because I want say makasem bi na menka na fe no so bible mu kakra makasem bi say everybody can walk out of your life.
Obi abetimi afiri wabrabom.
Your mother can walk out.
O ma me betimi akọ.
Your father can walk
out. O papa betimi akọ.
Your siblings can walk out.
Unuanu betimi afiri ho.
Even your pastor can walk out.
Osafo kra betimi ayiwa ma.
But the worst thing you can do to yourself
de obeye tia wa wo ho
is to walk out of your own life.
Asa wa wo be firi wabrabom sa me mobra biem. Na se wa ye ho abro.
That's it.
Obi abetimi akọ.
Obi abetimi akọ.
Obi abetimi abu won ho.
Obi abetimi akọ.
Obi abetimi akase wo munyi ni biem. Obi abetimi atowa che.
Obi abetimi
papa se wo de mento ho nchene.
So wo to ho twene a it is the gravest error and mistake and destructive a kind of decision you can ever take.
Why you ho bone ankasa ba ma bi betimi akase wodo no waja hokọ.
Waja hokọ.
Oba bi betimi akase wodo no waja okunu betimi akọle for divorce.
Waja hokọ.
Oyiri betimi akọle for divorce.
Waja hokọ.
Oba bi betimi akọware no
waja hokọ.
Nanso no wo de
if you walk out of your own life
menya wo ho menya ja wo nto wabrabo nto ntwene efse nipa bi atowa.
Dabi enti akosua the most loyal person in your life is yourself.
That's
the point.
Enipa nyina be yemi ama.
Obi abayu ama.
Ebeka me nko a.
Ebeka nko.
Nanso menye me ho ma da.
Your home ma.
Me bo brabo na si.
Exactly, because nyame nye wo man. One of the things that God does, he is the unseen faithful person and friend.
No, but nyame no kwafo a wo ho da bia.
No, are you behind the scene?
No, but ho.
And you say David can send me. I say, when my father and mother shall abandon me, the Lord will pick me up. And you are the most faithful person in your life. Because I'm a shankophobia. Or kind of story. Who say the man no et me a sorry free baby or sorry free, you know.
Yeah.
And yet one and I can because at a point everybody abandoned him. Enti eko no ne ne nyankopon
eka no nkwan ne ne nyankopon
na o ka kire ne ho se me to ma bra bo kyene a I'm done
because obi ato wa kyene papa
obi ato na kyene
enti we de wo so koto ho kyene de na se wa bra bo no asai wapra
obi ato na kyene enti wo hwe akosua the system a yen ye wo msese ya
yeah
a resource constrained environment ebia wanya kwa yanko school
yeah
madabusa fo muntie me pa school yeah adisua so besu adwuma yeah
okay
but so when ya kwan anye bia eno nkyere se wa bra ba sei
Papa repeat you.
Education is good. Apprenticeship in acquiring skills and so are good. But so when you acquire bia anya bia
when you be a manam one for uncle school, when you be a mom when you be on so more papa say
it is never late, you still can do something.
And non say wabra bonne chum wo betimi aye bibia ma ho
exactly
ebra when you be a manam wo school obi amoa mo ansua adwuma
that's right
obi amoa wan fa wansi baby ye
that's right
and non say wo de wakam wo de bibia say the abrabo na aba no be ne muka
dabi
bibi wo ha betimi aye de aboa wo
exactly na because make I say me no din ko some time na make I say ehia na obi ka say me de bia read here wo me of amoa me
yeah
me ma me amoa
and obi amfa man ko school
and I make I say yeah me yambisa ye nam for mo kasa sa ne say
yeah
won so mo what is your own role in your own life
nessa won so no Edia na wo so ye de boa wo ho
exactly
o maame amoa wo
okay
wo so papa amoa wo
okay
wo so obi amfa wan ko school wo so sis wo fa bi amma wo sika bi wa busuanfo obi amfa wo nya hwe papa so obusa wo say wo ankasa na
wo so de na wo ye
nipa wo so de na wa ya aboa wo ho
wo bi say nipa no say oh na that time na 20 years okay yati ase 20 years no ya mo anko school yati ase say we di ai me di 45
and 20
and what
25 no I kai wo di aye dey
20 what dey dey ni na mu ni na sa dey ya wa won na mu na wo hwe dey e dey na wo hwe
na se papa e ka se emfa wo ne ba bia wo to ya ankoyie obi an support wo wan kasa no wo responsibility wo adwuma bi ye se me abrabo na ye me amedia abrabo na ye me amedia enti menu manya moa ya fama nko school obi amfama nsua adwuma but anye bia me nan ne me nsagina ho ya madwene ye adie meye bibi dia boa me ankasa
akosa fire mame
me ankasa meye bibi dia boa me amabrabo na se wote ho na mo fa kwa abrochire won send me dollars ibi na me wo maame anya sika wo mo ame na me wo fa wo mo ame me nua no mu nyina agu abrochire obi anya hwe mame hedan bi a wasie eno no wote wo saa na wada ne nchiri nsie what now what am I tell lot to you no who na musa be dan lot to you no
fire ai
sorry anya bia no ko na ko
na rental so
ko je just kenke dok no kra ton
at 3 cities what you ton 5
cities 2 cities
2 cities oje 1000 pieces
ko tre obi shop ano na bosu me so a wontua wo ka ko se bibia se jai excuses no jai say we am moame who do we am moame sa wo wan say when 60 years when 60 years
one of the greatest weaknesses
emreye wo hokese pa
and one of the evils abetnya aye
boni abetimi ayetia wo ho kese pa no
and they say you are heaping several excuses one layer to the other
say wo de ne bi yu ho no ba ko mienu miense papa so aka se bo because we share obi a na me so no kwatatra nkrofo nchen
okay
e bo me saa
okay yati ase
me papa ene me maame na me nimade pa me wo junior high school class na me maths teacher bi si me nimade pa me we junior high school me nya obia for man ko SS me nya obia na ka sa odre ko free senior high school en ka me ameko me nya obia me ne musa ma no bi so me ne kwatena ye ni kru ha me sa ai maybe so me ne ko ye adwuma no mu ntia ye ka
okay
eti papa anya bia maka be 5
waka
ena me na ko me fa yenya ena akire be ma nso a be ma me kohia no so odo me be ma me hia no so odo me wono nso so wone me wo baako me pede kire kwan ba bia me hu no na akoda na bonus na say my bon one the me via see me ba he die
enti akoso layer upon layer excuses
o de niam yi ne ho no
hills abaye mountain
wenti na mama anya yie
wenti
na mama ne nyie wenti na mebra wenti na mentimi ankom
and akoso do you know the power of excuses
to me
they deflect energy Omo etutu ahoɔden firi mu.
Omo tutu ahoɔden.
Yes, excuses will always deflate energy.
Na se papa wo blame circumstances.
Na
wo blame maame na papa.
Na ahoɔden firi mu.
Na ahoɔden firi mu.
Egusu firi mu.
Ahoɔden kɔ.
Ye bɛkɔ saa. Ahoɔden bɛkɔ. Na efiri mu.
Na
efiri mu. Akosia Nelson Mandela. 27 years imprisonment.
Oda in the duafie
on Robben Island. 19 or free on 27 years no free on. Nelson Mandela could say,
because me
I am bitter.
Me di young.
The our yummy idiot, me to be yappy. Me ba me the revenge never. One I chairman no, me be proud, be cool, me be sell but no. Nelson Mandela who say, Nema of firm mono
a sunny ding.
Na want you bet you know said ye or how amaninya oyende a sunny a penisie a quiet first one a build or crania muscles or spirit in your muscles. On the question now Casimiro.
Yeah.
Or say the idea of fame. Then someone ye cagoose.
Oh yes.
Oh ye and now dear when ye fair.
Yeah.
And now dear Bema and now dear. Is it these things are what you know?
Yeah.
And your ability to say it is a lie.
There be a trop. Yeah.
When you're not correct. One more dada me if you say I'm on set me future.
Sir.
And to what Danny had no argument. And now if you say who explore the energies in you. And the idea can be a who resist a counter.
I made Danano.
Yes, me when you have
I'm a buffet.
Yes, me niska, minyaska momboa,
minyaska.
Yes, me to be yedma momboa,
me.
And Nelson Mandela, after 27 years, and building resilience and endurance. What you know, why we are thousands no way.
And winter so.
And winter so susum. Me man free and say, my man,
me mom coming shut down.
I could say, Obi Vision Academy.
Obi Vision Acampa, Obi in this one.
Obi in this one academy. Will be and be your best or your academy. Every say, any Marco, enemy, enemy, and I'm a giant. My bread. Na obi bia wofa epinisia oyende amaninya obrano yamukai say every hit bia is meant to crush you. Every say na bonsamane abrabemu epinisia no.
Yeah.
Obi a oye average.
Kono ho. Obi a wonsa danye bibia burusu bia. But omo se.
Hey, shebra kase fo no.
Omo ne ko ha wo.
Mo ne bere.
Oh,
will be an destiny ya big piano
or bre
nebere doso.
Wow,
aye, nebere doso. And to show who didn't say, nebre ya me namui, aya bribinti, na sa or hamina minya, na me mo binsu empiami enfrimu. Don't allow that to be a because you're one of that time, say, oh, baby muka crash. Because I've been say, they my can't about the excuses.
Yes, I would never be a yin who and I went here, and I'm say, Matemoa, and I'm say, Semehoneson, and I'm say, Manoson, and I'm say, you will not amount to anything, and I'm say, dear, bread, and I'm say, I'm okay, but Mr. Macamedy. What come with Mr. Macamedy? No, Papa, why shall you imagine, say, I could see a guabo, dear Matia, me hofe. Oh, then your mere see a bomb come. Miss almost a Mr. Bema, almost Anna, no cacracas, I'm on the Bacasa. Made the Manu Bacasa. Who to a wood or no Casaya Mosca? Who to a I was a more fire, who to a wood or no Casa, Yamosca. Maybe the Manu Casam yet Yamaka. Who to a wood or no Casam yet Yawaka. Well, who was social media, Conacasa free, Meme Casaya said Chamaka. Because speaking engagement, we can be more speaking engagement, baby, and me cockra almost a champion, petrol, and Casam yet Yawaka. Eating Yamia Mamma no Cassiano, Daddy, or Bossam and Famaka, Casa. But Miss Son woman. Woman revelation. I did revelation say. I didn't know. Yame mama no ya kaseno. Etu ya and one no kakraka. And one no kakraka. And one no kakraka. Can't be near me quit Namirams. Oh, Nasa nui cra. Yamia shape put a kama FFA. And I sent me the Becassa. Tinyankupu said I needed a big mouth. Not Papa, big mouth, ya, the Akasa ya. and na etua ye ka hwe ya ya ko school ye di bia ye degree ye di bia ye masters ye di bia ye say ye di bi ye afutuo eti ade bi wona papa wo kan wo so na se ade bi di watama they have seen something wo who bibi eti no wo kasa no e na ahonya fe nam say beautiful girl say pa onyame abobi se ne suba no ne sesuo pa
ye catch us say
me honya fe me so me ho ofe pa wa hwe from head to toe nyame a shape ade kama
because oni they all can nyina another third part am person no di wi na o de wi ma me won say they all can nyina e friend no reversal eniama wo mo kan nyina
madane no
o dane no
madane no
eno ani won a wo mo nim se de esi enduo ebra emu ye de no wo mo nim sa de yo no ade bia wo fam te se bia wonam ohia mu sese ya chese obetuma sikani
okay
a reversal ahokyere akyekere wo na wo da ho a chese ahosam bi eba se oyaw bi eche oso a chese joy bi eba o say weeping may endure for a night but joy cometh in the morning. Oh, osumba ba besua anajo na del de ebeba de chi enti agusa be say o papa honum bio the reversal say can some pebi chire ho enti obi say na me de oja me na o say on pebi bio obi pel
that be me too valuable ma
obi pel
wo won pemi as obi pemi
ai
na eyi me rate me value based on your perception.
Perfect.
Me rate me value based on your perception.
Doctor number 4. And I say 5 and 4.
Where 5?
Doctor, I go see me count now. Doctor number 5.
Doctor number 5. With the bomb you radio.
Don't rate yourself
based on your perception.
On people's perceptions and opinions. And not they are entitled to their opinions. Many problems. Keep it up. The problem is that when you import people's perceptions and their opinion into your space of growth, you will shrink. You will shrink. You will shrink. You will shrink. You will shrink.
Why idolize it?
You will shrink.
You worship at the altar of people.
Why do you do that?
You
will shrink.
Papa, yes, nipa opinion. Opinion. Whose report will you believe?
Wonderful.
Why didn't I be dead? Onyame di oboye bia was here, yeah. Nyame was it is good. Was what bomb is in the suban and sasso. Mejitum sa, et wona say, the Nyame boy, no. Men you would your boy.
That's right.
But Papa, you idolize it and call for opinion.
Or because someone.
No what time, no what
time.
Said you see whom
now they are best the equation of your success. Why we even into the equation?
Now dear
imbalance.
Stop it. Papa would dear wood no me fanam de to the minimum no one.
I'm quite
na say any boy brandma told the naturally. And line it.
I was a big catch and say, yes, my born will fairly in life. Also, who say, consistently was passing. Well, and we try. Well, you must, I don't go have some of my face. Because, I mean, as me feel it, me idea. As me chop a baby and my pass. Me too and a movie and associate. Or say, I discarded that. You are entitled to your opinion. But I will never import that deficient, negative opinion into my space of success. If you say it will shrink me.
Na papa woni ma de ya ne kran say nipa na wo kire na adwene no
okay
ni basis no de kire na adwene so ejade so
I bias
ejina jealous so ejina jealous so ebi ejina
hostility hatred
yeah obi wa ye ni bre obi wo kwa wo siesie ho na ho aye fa na aye ne ya obi wo kra wo sere no tese adan wani ade sa won tie siesie wani ade papa who opinion now who said from
and then so no so the papa yes.
What didn't say now? What basis in the idea? Or foundation idea? I want to check the foundation.
That's right.
Because they are envy.
I was saying, the next doctor number.
Mama, check a foundation, you know.
Yeah, check a foundation.
Because they are envy.
Okay.
They are jealousy.
Okay.
They are insecurity.
Okay.
They are low self-esteem.
Okay.
They are baby.
But the foundation is weak. Because the most painful thing is when you are when you are importing a weak foundation into your most solid
foundation,
self foundation. No, as a weak.
Sir?
And I walk the muscles. And I want the import. And I can see. Now what the this is what makes what you be deficient mindset. This is what makes it very unfortunate. What you say, anytime somebody makes a comment, now hold the opinion be a no kura. It sounds if the perspective, no.
Yes.
Once you take their perspective, you magnify.
Now I am a cashier.
And automatically the brain magnifies that.
Okay.
And your perspective taking be an answer.
And you be an efa.
Dear one can leave the person.
Yeah.
When you could jump into that perspective part, naturally magnifies it.
Yeah.
And to pay no crown and a babemu.
Was me some see me failing. Na fe utret na tret.
And to people say, be deficient mindset be your kind. If you are say iron. I find say butine. Next, we see you have moved from just a molehill to a mountain. Dear, and can say, open is baby sina ketuano. No, I buy any cassia. Stop that. I'm more papa, I'm more vision. I'm more audacious. I'm more destiny. And it will be at one say the monk and cry no correct or sell in tasso. Well, boo, more kafa.
What I didn't say boo.
No, hell, now to her.
Meja sorry. Mejanya mi adwuma minya biem oja sorry dia. Mi si anteman sansem bi okan ye. Pentecost asọrọ nkwa me mabiem. As antemas Baptist asọrọ nkwa me mabiem. Ye bu ye ko hye ne busa sɛ de han ɔno ohia me na asɛm na ɔka kyerɛ me ne papa hwɛ. Ɔtete wo ne wonya me ntam. Ɔtete wo ne wonya me ntam. Dabi papa ye ma ho kwan na wo ti papa boa ye. Me se boa ye na hye ye de.
Ye be ma enwenta so.
Ye gitu.
You are going to rise up from the ashes. Science so obi adewa trim na wontumi mpie no ebiri adu say
yes sorry
sorry free mu
ampa
hey o relationship bi anya ye it's been 7 years say who could 42 years what is wrong with you
adana tewo
adana what if I come because when you one single problem and 2 or 3 and I want ma break you sir. And then you will dust yourself.
Oh, Papa, and you be shake yourself.
You will shake yourself and dust off.
Yourself. And Jawa will be a no beam, no ajiwayatu.
Ane.
Obi ha, unim say relationship near toxic. If who say who jayno, no akai, who jamia. Also them say the power very abusive. Or who say who jan was saying who jamia, obi a no beam. Yentum. Say who jamia, one who yame. Will be a no me beam. What are you talking about? It was what you so as a manipulative tool. Now, my water will also say relationship in Kawajan Kababwa. I can't send be to us say. Well, manipulative or Jawa, and I also free relationship will be a no beam. To her, and the brew one yet titty or and because I can't test the mind now. Romans chapter 5, verse 3 to 4. I say, yes, Sompa Rhapsody. A psycho-biblical. The psychology a marriage between psychology, the word of God, and of course, the third one, a Trinity. A Trinity experience.
Experience.
Life wisdom. Papa,
Romans chapter 5, 3 to 4.
3 to 4. Udi ana upe mimi yampe NKJV no ba upe NIV ni.
So when you NKJV no so close to NIV no say fine. Akofa he. Bible bra o.
Bofa so. 3 to 5.
Yes.
Or see, here are a great number of
Romans 5, 3 to 4.
It could be a John, Papa.
Sorry.
We read the book of John. Okay, we'll see. Romans chapter 5.
3 to 4.
Okay. Not only so, but we also glory in our sufferings, because we know that suffering produces perseverance.
Oh, Theo.
Yes. Perseverance, character, and character, hope. And hope does not put us to shame, because God's love has been poured out into our hearts. Who has been given to us. Say, not only so, but we also glory in our suffering, because we know that suffering produces perseverance. Perseverance, character, and character, hope. And hope does not put us to shame, because God's love has been poured out into our hearts through the Holy Spirit who has been given to us.
Anape asna piesie pa ena mede ma ekosua ago aboaje wa pepe niemamu onu ankasa wa kana bra bonsama eri akire ho de ekosua fam na ye easy esi han na no ba de ekosua asna no se orikasa wo de jisika guni botom ma mo bi ndadao mo bi kansem bi emprao mo bi engu ani mase mo bi engu hufi. I'm telling you, rise above the storm. Wonyame esomu akuramu abayo yie na option me no resilience as I say obi sorry every atachebimu as say obi sorry every oyari oyende bimu as say obi sorry every opra or say amaninya kodanda. Rise above the storm. You have the ability to absorb stress. You have the ability to adapt constructively. You have the ability to withstand trauma and tragedy. It is called resilience. As I say, let me bounce back. Sabribi and a mawa juma eguya. Some time ago, Nanka waya dear, Obia Juma egu. Ghana Hano, Abaiba, no be a man, sorry. About Franco, no be a Jumegu. Hey, me say, don't give in. Rise above the storm.
And some mama through you. Let me saw the one I miss up. I want to need hobby. As a friend, I was your son. Come to said,
and found your own name, say, I'm a 2 4. Someone for. As I make no me catch now. Don't be afraid. And remember, be and count to her. Now, you know, me know a fire on resilience. And renta swore. Abaya sorry. Mama sorry. Abrantia sorry. Daddy, what you must say, men traffic sorry. Mama, wawari ejedem menjai. Obi person knock you out of the marriage. Now, obeja warren. Why where you man check? Mama, they are renta swore. Stand your grounds if we say. Oda chimba efe. Let me come home. Abaname Calbio, just bread and pastries. Was says I hope a kenkabia. I know ensure ye de kenka ya fitting ye yam fire none fitting ye and Moria bro pana ye bra. Osane mwebi ayi a bruni na brom sabe asay ya de bro pa a bra. We grew the bruno under hygienic conditions and a fitting no under hygienic conditions and yan double bruno sa bruno and just hot kenke say and no near the sa kenke do enter the theater 3 cities per ball. Hey, announcement must say koji just kenke hot kenke koji ubenyes kesi ya enti mentra fa akopɛ enti abusuafo mama de na from 0256068832 0256068832 and say me can 88 not just say me do America I say make your kenke experience easier, healthier and more profitable with Joe's Hot Kenke and the minimo and I say my America the way America but for na bama no program is bad the rough Osafo me jam me ho aba
Yes, sir, can you hope you more? Joe's bread and pastries.
Joe's bread and pastries.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the Joe's hot kenke abba. Dokono papa no.
Dokono papa no.
Afei na ube koto. Akoto to ebro. Abecha ho sente. Ababa ye dokona kwa akoton. Wabra Joe's hot kenke ewo ho. Eye 3 Ghana cedis pe.
3 Ghana cedis pe.
O say price no. Ubetu na wo kwa no akwa akoton. Eno anu se wonya wone ma na wo dia boss. Enti sabre die introducing Joe's hot kenke. Ye de ebro papa ehu cha ene ye dia ye. Baby ye no nso. Eya hunidie nko a. Highly clean environment. Ene no achi no obo adie nsa no naturally nice and it tastes good. Enti ye comfort the amount say Joe's hot kenke. Mo amoto dokuno nyina. Ema mo ncha mo ho biem. Ema mo mre biem. Mo metum free ye nchen. Eye 3 Ghana cedis pe.
3 Ghana cedis pe.
Joe's Bakery. Jome ye wo commercial bank echi ho no a. Sa wo pedudu atu ha. Na wa frɛ 02560688832. And you say dear Joe's hot kenka benti. And one say wo betu ya. Na wo dia kwa kosi wo kona ho. Na wo ton. Joe's hot kenke. Hot kenke. Ye dia ba wo kona no. We eye hot.
Hi, you're from me Abna Ruthie. From Monday through to Friday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. sharp. Shame, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Made it Sompa Delight. Bro, Sompa Delight, a social entertainment program. Ebema entertainment, information, and education. Onia, sawati de wahoni nadida. Afi, and anya dance no eba. Sompa Delight is a unique blend of entertainment and purposeful conversation. Frobi, no be Frobi, no be so Frobi. Nakashane say, Abna Ruthie, it was Sompa 106.5 FM. Now, ode Sompa Delight, bro. Sompa Delight, where entertainment meets impact.
106.5.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albert Kwampo.
Oyunyankupon di for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyankupon Reyawan what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Yankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And mass Sompa First Service in Chawo Home Hoda. A Yajuada Kusi if Yadanopa. Anopano Nunkusi Anopanunsia. Fawodanina share radins. Na erade beye.
I would I chairman and yaji. Now, so me penny they are famous. Ye near Mrancasu. Now, so I hear my inti. I can come in as well, yes, me. Oh, I come I some of
Aquada who dachiana and yaji. Open it, try any another round. Mara who sampa na minke. Mintam Cassiana me was sweet. Memranti bre moment ya futu. Elamina minyo. Rantiani mabawa mutie me. Akama ya samuda. Akama ya samupe. Suku yima ufoni mikobi. Nanso koda boni semti mayire me wensu de oyi me di kwan so maye di kan be di achire ma fo nyina ye jami ti mamu fama di so yin ni agro mamu fama di so yin ni agro kra aga everybody na sanja anga sanfu so mi kami anga misaya koda be ma myself company dikani awafana mi wobio disike nyina womanu medi ma hodi nyina sumemba dama kwansa mufwa na mesamem enembode abanji mitoi ma free me mama ye masankwa kwa fire yeah
myself open Musomfo Joseph Osafo ena enne maje madwa nasina watwe nyina me no edele e obibia ye friend resilience renta so sunsum
sanwa kametu fuse jainunia aka emrebeti mesanetia
Nanso sabri yatina si dan tsa meboa o Anonti anopai me no efiase bio na yatoa de me ne yakosua eka ye no yana se abua ona brebia ehunahuna wo e wa brabo ni asetena mu
memeni adumi pani fieso abrochetina funumio nansumiti mi komchibiem mababeka obi
asa me ka o yon kona asama to yon kona ofa ha on yende mu obetumi atie obedie na ode abuye wode safoa obi dance die ema o build muscles for living die obi afemo no be kua afemo nyansa na ode adenda abrabo
azani na lasulai oche masase mamitonye
Obrabia futu nka hono ya ebu na sinyasini na enkoye
binya baby family to be konko bi manja tse ade untie mafutu se
anya sa futu samaya mede bere winya ne babia Sompa Rhapsody mede nam Sompa FM 106.5 Emma aketua pa you will not get it anywhere and here now they will dial not to Hadabia Monday 8 o'clock to 10 after Friday. Don't miss the time. Because of one about in China, he will never cast them away. Tamodi aka one se obesia braba mu nimdia ni nyansa ni atenka mu nimdia ni nyansa na wa man nipa bi ama wa brabo anse bakacho se obra ye hihye obra ye muni biara ye hihye se de obi esi dan a wode instrument ne measurement to hono sa no branso ye buno enti wububra na wan hihye na ne mudi anka ho nti ase anka ho atenkam ne mudi anka ho a sa bra no eye opira nko a
jama kwansa mufwa na misamem ene bode abanji mitoi ma free me mama ye masankwa kwa fire yeah
Bobby atumi ahia sense was sorry was say 7 times the righteous man shall fall but 7 times he will rise up again and to onyamia build resilience into your life already so what to hear obesa sorry onyankopon danda nipa brabo Otafre yembra oye na ma odom eka ye ho. Rise up and write that exams again. Rise up and write that application letter again. Rise up and go back onto that particular project again. Emma Bribiara Emma Bamu Emu Nebribi Pa Edawanim. Media Mejitum Pass Wabrabono Unyame and for a mass of Bebrekwa. You came here and as a Osafo is a purpose. There is a purpose for that suffering. There is a purpose for that pain. There is a purpose for that worry. As I did one April, say, no, Kai Huni say, Bon, somebody be a warrior on the Assawa Brabo. Rise above the storm. I project enough from you. Nansumiti coming to you. Mama Becca will be my soul. Hey, if you are not paying, you'll be able to do a quadruma, and Obi Con is talk of Tom and last week and 20 years and made to shop on the move. Osafo for me, a psychologist in software, men may show come. Now mention common Kwame, Kenyans as watch rise and go back to the shop. At the Pebby Basin, now baby one dance here. If I hear Sultama come on, Azanina Lasulai. Obia Sano send me a April doing ya. And now, coach Rebel training now to me now. What target emotion will destroy a brabo. Or target will dash and destroy a brabo. And man acquiring, build your muscles, the future is bright. Abranti ebi se manya adwuma ye odi aye wi nom. Odi aye beten sika bi onya bi abeten kwan wo twa. Ena adwene se wo twa beten no an obaye yie da bi wo dada ho mo nsam se o. Oti aso dem musuloto kwan wo twa. Obi aka chere se wan twa ye yie na ese wo twa. Nanchebia Dako Ube hit a jackpot. And in Branton also know what when we are said they are completely confused. Maybe if you say you want to rest our wedding with the other so yeah, with John about the Busu One Jari Krumpo, they are confusing life. I make a chance say Sompa Rhapsody is restructuring life. And your bra is sequence bio a brantie be baby the name her we as pa. You are Ghana's one of Ghana's most powerful industrialists. And maybe being said, man, you know, says they will talk to baby Tiasia, but I'm telling you, Enchebia, you will enter a shop. Your friend no resilience, your friend no rentals was on some. And some mama through you. Let me swat them one and miss up. Job said, though he slays me, yet will I trust in him. Officer Bramekura, imagine the in Job's mind, O Prano of Famono, O Yamiwa Diabia, and Donanim. Job, I lost the wealth. Sikano wano efrin sem. Nemano wano efrin sem. Efe na pomodenso efrin sem. And these came in rapid succession, one after the other. The share brand TBS daddy minimum the to me. From one point to the other, then about at what was so at the said ensure area guswa. Enjoy encha mi bra. The trial for Job was powerful and painful. Now so he did not want to curse God. He said to me, Job suffered without a cause. onim de wo yenti a wo bere na saa na wo de ensote wasi so prame kura minja say imagine die Job cried out in anguish. Job questioned God. Job debated with his friends. Job rested with silence. And found a rentas was on some. And then the pipe and the achrewo. When you may ekasa efa humu and the Job. Na fe ni jidie jina pinti. Ena dia hiri nyina onyame esama me moho. Ena me no ebekasa fa renta so ho. Na otwina masas bia emu ago ebesa sorbio. Nam kruma bia emu ago ebesa sorbio. Ajuma bia egu ebesa sorbio. Akoma biara apeche ebesa sorbio. Adwini biara epra ebesa sorbio. Rise above the storm. Abrante bia efanu Job no efanu Joseph no. Anonso ndiye no obisa is from pit to the palace. Yanasha mnemuni nyanuma inama. Betrayal in the decay. Obia can't send me, Obia Iwama, Obia Yabia Yawaya. Betrayal and everyone a call imprisonment. Obi can't send me to no some year don't go to a fias and 1 year. 45 years be 18 some money or baby. 45 years be essay or be a bit more. If you are 45, you'll be a supply when you may be also a giant. Or person Gage when now a Juma good. Or say I will see what he will do. Messena Juma. FA no but knock on the next level FA the real fino. Will be away in a year of prison one real fino. You find the cap bearer. Joseph at church and I asked him in every prison. That's one of the OPA and the refugees of a cry. And I'm saying that Obira few will be in Kaubio. Adibia Yaman, the real feet. One Kyle friend of Chrome fat. From the pit to the palace. They catch it. I was saying, enjoy your humo, mammo, bim bravo. And Femian knew completely he was forgotten. He was forgotten. He was forgotten. And I'm catching some American Bofunana. Hey, yeah, Jumba Sabasa. And so after 2 years, no, Yamia be a crabby out on him. The ages of Nelson, I be a number of Pharaoh Nelson. When I made it, I soon be a wooden Pharaoh, a gentleman, and obedient to mention us here. Hey, the catch it all. I did you ever. Will be to me so I just said, wow. If I yes, Sultama come on, Azan in a last lay. What a master say, my beton. We are to never say, but you won't say, Sad dream and never more been to me, and Tias, you've been to venture us here, only one man. And then Joseph. One bachelor, Pharaoh died soon as say. And that was going to open the door for him, resilient, don't give up. Joseph Akasa, Genesis 50 verse 20. I say you meant it for evil, but God meant it for good. Listen, now, you now resilient in He forgave his brothers and he said that you meant it for evil, but God meant it for good. Modia mususuni bonino nyankopon di osusuni ye pa. Menu abekasa afa renta so ho. Memo the third personality, your friend David. 23 times Saul sought to kill him. And then for being Jonathan, he lost him as a friend. One also I am from also in his own life a lot of moral failures. You may be a no chro and you must me cry and then I will hold no waboto. That's when Uncle Bonka says he's a man after my own heart. Maybe the tron young message around me here for hearing him. I say, yet though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. And then we show the principles, psycho-biblical principles of resilience. Last personality, I made him out a root, more money, root Casano, and then Subino. Or your widow, or your immigrant. If you say, or the ancestor of kings. I see you losing in a foreign land. He chose loyalty over self-interest. Or catch and not say now, Mr. Baby, I'll come and over call. Fear by me, fear. Oh, my baby, my. Yankopo, baby, Yankopo. No, baby, I'll call, but she chose that. She was gleaning fields in poverty and humility. Adi ananku wanyano ananku wapan wanyano sa. Efen wo call field mua eniyaman keten no tasitase. But her faithfulness changed her destiny. Ruth Abaye, the great grandmother of King David. Na Simon Swana Yesu Sufirae. Nese oda chimba yefo, oda chimba yefe. I say, where you go, I will go. Your people shall be my people. Route 116. And I'm inviting you to these sessions today, tomorrow, and next. Hambaye bruta. When I meet Pedro bin Nessie. Woman for a film, Mama Quaba, and the bar session here. That's our topic here, hear me pa. And Tina Mania and Ajay, na my commentary amount and intricacies a whole war. Ye can be a fan of resilience. A rain tasso. Me person ye tree ni cannon. A some and bay me and sunny a cabo. Worry. Ata. A so. Just a 1 month crime may be embu wabem. Wabrana, when you made my assassin to sue you. And yet, baby, ye benya and Niema said ye pen. Do baby, Niema met me a foul cremua. Just as you did not dream for it. Once yes, you won't say, Sanana or Brano, Upese Ebano. I'm telling you in life, sometimes nobody prepares for the unprepared, for the unanticipated. Once you share who say, "Baby, I will hear him say, "You're boneno, ebeto." No. Now, so it sounds like life is unpredictable. Who nim said ye bribi besi abentino. Yana bribi awanina, oyende bi awanina, amanie bi awanina, asembi awanina, enchwanto subi awanina, woprebi awanina, na ba abemino. Na eminowa, yana adia e pese ya onese ese wabrabo. Na manyini kakra hu se ya niema nyina baya kwamu ni nyina ana firi bonsam na watchi me no ebisua de papa edu ba bia onyame buye kwam bi ema bribi efa wase na ade no etofo no ade na ema wo gina pintin waka Adiye onyame edema Joseph ne daiso anu oso ni nyina no nyame ewo etrimpo bi se dache Abraham asini bi esese wo ko ba bi no koye ohoho every say wo hunu se ekom bi beba na sa kom ne ba ese onyame as a strategic God ehunu ba bi a what did Abraham asifo befa? Enti one more time be every free every on one fee one nuanum ne free buy. One tiasie when he bring one more ton. Enti the make for nyata was say baby ya na sa oyene amane esane oyaw opra ene betrayal hodwa ye femono. Some of them can have redemptive agenda. When you were trimpobia a dutchre, now who they am pro and Casaway will be ne prame. God can ride on the evils of those who are doing some things against you to achieve his purpose. When you met me fa oyende amani esani opera. And baby, now one nanti so say vehicle. It's like a machine. Nyame enamswa. Wadi beye bribi padi amount. Ne basa then necessary way. Eya come chire derby. Yan come chire keke. Eya mpaye derby. Yan mpaye keke. Eya soon derby. Eya soon keke. Eya kasa kasa derby. Yan kasa kasa keke. Na yedeng. Your friend of rain task war, a rain task war, a rain task war. My self pain. You see, so I'm sorry, pa. Bringing some money, try me photo, and some mama through you. Nasa rain task war, you cry, your friend, a day, a suban bang. Mamma church was a cran, and now me boys had you, know. No watching and a fame, my Bible, we hear the See, I can say, rain taswa. But often say, bearing hardship with steadfast patience or endurance, or say, refusing to be crushed by circumstances. They did kind of say, Obamodia and me on ejina adia eye yaw. Wajina adia eye yaw. What in Tobuasia abojo cherry? Edia jina adia eye yaw. Ano a endurance a rentaswo a endurance a abojo cherry a boaseto sa boasetono eno a sa a rentaswo ne sunsuma bakono no also you are bearing with steadfast patience. Ya obika semi ya untumi na nanso omia ho obi aka sem bi apira wo aye wo ya obesen ka wo kabri bi but you enduring obi akodi ho nsek wo baby wa pira wo wa say wo connection wa say relational opportunity a obesen ka wo kabri bi chire no nanso wa wi ataso it is a rental swa then china se ba konese endurance. You are bearing hardship with steadfast patience. Adibia ye yano wode aboaseto ejina no say enya he mama hwede beba. You are refusing to be crushed. One person adiebi ebe crasho ebe breakio ebe sewo ebe pechewo. Dear Tosumi no Mary Chire resilience asiano. Your friend of recovery. Oh my God, I love this one. Your friend of recovery. The kasa recovery. The person chene say rising from defeat. Tiani yepa. Honey hear me papa. Rising from defeat, failure or loss to find renewed strength and purpose. Say oh sorry every nkuguo. Say oh sorry every adiebi a washirimu. Na wenya ahoden foforo and the swan foforo and non recovery. Say oh sorry for yemu. Say brebi a to wono e prow e maade ne ye ya woda na wonto na o kotre betre wadua ne die kura kofam afa wo half kura feli nanso no sa defeat sa failure no sa loss no wa sorry every mua ahoden foforo bi afia sese every mu apue we eye recovery. Now say okay, our Bible here you say 7 times the righteous shall fall, but 7 times they will rise up again. Was in pension no a training for no training by here. Now pension sumuno obesa asoribio nature say wonyame a build a recovery instinct into the life of the righteous. Adie biara na anka epese prawo no won kan say yakase rentals wa no nkyere se won fa hamu dabi yakase rentals wa. We are not saying absence of pain and trouble. No. Resilience is not absenting yourself or avoiding pain and trouble. Debbie, resilience just says pain and trouble will come. Turbulence will come. Challenges will come. Troubles will come. Billows will come. Yakase, so we are taswa. It just says how ni na beba. Na mono watia heno na ayese nimguasie bi achechire wo no na ayese obi akase ha yensa kano no na obi akase ha fedie ye break no na obi akase ha fedie ye bra no na obi akase ha fedie ye bekuno na ye kuno no. You are coming out of that particular pain, that particular hurt, that particular failure, that particular loss. Ufrimo na ufrimo bano na ho dini bin so ewura wo. Na the me say or see you rise up with renewed strength. Yani o sorry ewo ahoden foforo mu. Na ye no nko a wo say sorry with purpose. Purpose just a failure. Na wanya adwen foforɔ wanya ɛnasoɔ foforɔ wanya biribi foforɔ esiwo no so a wɔde bɛbu abra na wɔde bɛtu anammɔn no a wotuo no. I love this recovery. Eti na wɔtwe isi wɔ bi da hɔ a wɔ recovery akyɛ ɛsɛ sɛ wotumi sɔre na wo ho yɛ wo den wɔ bi apiri a wɔda hɔ afe ni ɛmfe mmienu ɛmfe mmiɛnsa na wɔtwe you will rise with the wings of eagle. You can't hear us about resilience and your growth. You can't hear endurance. You tell me a recovery. You tell me a growth. You can say rinta swa. They are original me and son say, allowing trials to deepen character, faith, wisdom, and compassion. Say woman, oyende amaninya esane oyawo ene obre kwan. Na sa amaninya ne obre kwan no ama etumi ama usuban mu api. Ama ujidie mu nso api na jina. Na fe ama wadwene ne wonyansa nso emu agina na api. Na fe nso ama wanya ayam hyehye enso de abanipa. Ha, ma hunu bi wabrabo yimu. Wobi a won fa oyenda na amane ne esane mu no. Ya no ontini pase. Ya no onim ne yefra no se ayam hyehye ma nipa. Eri ba bi a onyame de ofa befa oyenda bi ne ehum bi mu na wanya compassion for others. This is what we call the redemptive dimension of resilience. Endurance, recovery, and growth. So if you are a catcher and then me bebuao and then you have to come out of the hardship and say woman sa oyende no ememo. Nyanon kwame baba buao no fe wafiase asore. You must recover and get a new strength and get a new purpose. Na na otwi na mechira about Korea. Sari Korea tutu ne ntaban na onya hoɔden foforo na onya purpose foforo and na onya me bebuo bi papa. Na fe wama oyenda ne amane kwan na fe etumi asiesie usuban ne wabrabɔ ama ujidie mo nso agina pente ne wanya nyansa wabrabɔ imo ya no nko na fe wo yam so ahyehyew ade ama nipa. Let us say, me about the Prisla, Ebemu by 5 minutes, being a few Ebola and quickly. This is a free talk. Oh, my catch from your perspective as a clinical psychologist. And then your introduction. Watching the psychological and the psychobiblical principles. Personally, you're a clinical psychologist. You can't say Obiari Ataswa resilience. Then also, if you see a channel, you papa mupa, and then ye man krofo hunu ade no then I walk on. Okay.
The challenges, whether we are Christian, Joseph, Bible,
okay.
Everyone experiences difficulties in life.
Okay.
Sometimes, maybe
okay. Just say, I know the handsome bar. Okay. 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 Okay.
Marriage between nature and
nature. Okay.
Because all these things, nature and nature, issues between them. I also make it what you say. I'm going to face it.
Okay.
As a psychologist, even now has to do with your mind.
Right.
It's what dream, resilience, that is the focus. How do you shape your mind?
How do you shape your mind?
To face a near man.
How do you shape your mind? Now, no many press labetina say. Na ye beti sa nkomo yi papa. Mami mu ye 4 lines no. Na be fa ni papa bi abe 2 3 bi. And then no mo fa ncheme. Nena mpese mi buye ni ye. O china no de me buye. Ta mama nka na frɛ kakra 0260196064 0260196065 frɛ be kakra na de ni nkomo kakra obi online one no so. Hello.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Minim say nana wani abere basa.
Hello.
Hello, me ton kan ja e France.
Yeah, hello, good morning.
Morning, ye France.
Me pa to company.
Ai, ye France na o frɛ.
Hello.
Eja me pa cho ye France ye ton kan. Me pa cho San France.
Me pa to Tunisian.
Kasa.
Me pa to good morning.
Good morning, ye France.
Me pa to Femi Daniel, me prefi Yodowa.
Okay, Daniel kasa.
Me da wa tipa ni won tete na min kweli e be boy en pop nyamin trao.
Amen.
Because this America sanite me no bi ana emri betin ye no na mpa. Na me no mun sapa e bi ni ko papa no chabe.
Hey.
No chabe ntino me sanumon me de pete me kola bi mu pa ton. E bi du be ni me ka se no. Me de me jabi bia ban sanumpa de me nyai.
Okay.
And the meeting in the bed. Maybe last year, Papa, the man, and I'm taking decision. Maybe me Papa, maybe. And I said, maybe me ban on no man started, and I'm just smoky pan and said, smoky pa account. The woman, Papa, me Papa, and in the crap of any tenant, no. And we said, I need that was my okay, and I'm no, we did. Before we get into me, I ain't smoking too.
That's good.
And at the end, no one. The woman may retire since then.
Wow.
This last year, January, they are to now, and San Camano, before you come.
Daniel, why are they?
In fact, when they tell you, you're going to and the problem here, you come to the room and you that.
Wow.
You got to be doing another person that the new grand down. I mean, so papa, not let na to be better. The amount of time and you appear to be. Me coach cook, me take class from Canada. But me man, no boom up them.
Good.
Me man, no boom up them. Me drive any, but now no be a man, but then come money boom up them. It will be produced in a farm, can maybe at us and sanity as Emma Bravo, and you please, I'm no say. There's a fee almost 6 months in the community. If I'm in time, come on, then call you come on.
Daniel, why are papa?
I was used to be studying. There was no chat paper.
Amen. Daniel, why are they 02601960 64 021960 65. Friend, now you know any come on. My catcher say, winter sword here. Say, what the year Jumwa, a beboa, papa. Obi online too, no, so hello.
Hello, Papa.
Mama, near France, and home.
Good morning.
Good morning. Mamma Cecilia. Hey, Mama.
Oh, Papa, Yaku shower.
When should I also? I
want on 2 quantum, no more what in
Amen.
The Tiber 40 years, Madame could be called Osafo.
Okay.
Your friend or then the Osafo could be coming to a done in the home of Banos. Sister. We are the new year. What can you say? We never pay you. And then I'm out here with one with the dada. You know, when you that, you appear no cancer, but not in this country. And yet, Papa, yet that we jaya, we do, and you can make it out. It is some more canon. And you know, no what's it?
Amen.
Yanisha, no, no, When I'm not sure about it, I did not divide them. Thinking already got us some, but I've seen
what's that event? Man, did that. Oh, amen. Oh, Yamisha, my Miss Cecilia, no. We'll be our line one or so. Hello,
that important. Good morning.
Good morning, Johnny. France, I'm free.
That important. Just one day, new.
Hey, just one day. Just one day, Casanova.
Oh, Papa, Yakubo, HR, Reverend Rob.
Amen.
Maybe I can't tell about who I'm trying to match me when for a short way. But the last week, I was not tell about anger.
Yo,
anger. Yes, Saturday, you change me. That may Papa will be, the chum will be, the moon there. Into question. Oh, driver, me, you be. Private driver, the man, the almost Papa.
Okay.
It's me, Chomono. Hello, man, or drive private car. Okay, so see, I'll let back on the Korean Topa.
Okay.
And the white no pan air patch or my money could no AC.
Okay.
My money could no open soon. If you want to be there, will be a better be a Beman so Nico company.
Okay.
If we drew on and a Nicono, me one to Sakatra, but Nico woman or Shelly Zano who tell me a married man.
Okay.
And I'm catching it a matter, Mr. Yanika no lead before Asiano, and say we saw Siano. Napanyansa, Asiano, not your wife. Is soon, Mr.
One day, Papa.
Is still can, Mr. Water. And a papa no, when you can, because you saw a patch of the matter, Mamma could see, or Mamma could go see, because only Penny could see her. Yet they happen in me, but I don't know. Them is or Shelly, if you know the Mona man to Nikana or Koi, it's made that the pa and then so Taka Mimisiano about endurance, the refusing to be crushed, the recovery, rising from defeat. There. Oh, shed the atoll in the from no, sorry. But there was all shed the atoll, no, and the day I'll be to me after
just one day.
What's the about group? There was sorry, no, there was there to me, a be a Moniam at the mouth. I was about to me.
Why are they?
You and your couple,
Papa. Just one day, I mean, one shroud, man for Miss Producer, one last call. One last call. Okay. 02601964 0260196065. Obi ayan last caller. Ofra na yafa resilience me say and winter so die. Ye ma wa bra bon entina ma bi etida. Rise above the storm. Ne baby a no obi bibi aba na prawo na sewo me say winter so enye the absence of pain. No. Resilience does not mean you'll never suffer. Insanity. And yet, the presence of pain and yet the readiness to get over it. Last call about line. So, hello. Oh, when the MSA, I'm fat. I was for a hey, and then me demo ABC. Unyamea Dumoa, watchina, meneme ba bracelet transe. Ye be pepe mu. The psycho-biblical dimensions of resilience. For churodia, na fa o paper, na fra unya bika home. Obet me kwan so a record it. Na ebeboa o dial na de kai. 106.5 Sompa FM. Emma Aketiapa. Mondays 8 o'clock to Friday 10 o'clock. Na yatena se Sompa Rhapsody so. Make how be say Jumadie wanga esomasini ya odeba me just bread and pastries. Se opesa utu kenka de na ema nkwa na ema pomudea was say ball back in 3 cities from 10256068832 eso or more domain behind Ghana Commercial Bank. Among for ha ena medemo ebesie wonyame adoma watchna enso meba na china mebe papa mu na mabue resilience ne renta so sunsum yiso abrante ntie me abaya ntie me owarefo ntie me sofo ntie me ada ntie me obi a oye adwuma ntie me na adie bi a adane abutu no mebe child the principles ebeboa don't go under. Don't let anything break you. Rise above the storm. Romans 5:3. We also glory in our sufferings because we know that suffering produces perseverance, perseverance, character, and character, hope, and hope does not disappoint. When you may add more, Ochina, Shiambiu. Same time, 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Until then, it's shalom. Peace and life to you. We and Sompa 106.5 FM. So. Bye-bye.